Pero guess what? No storm lasts forever. You are stronger than you think, and sometimes the way to rise above life hardship is by changing how we talk to ourselves. That's where positive affirmation comes in. I know some people think affirmation are just empty words, but trust me, they have power. The way we speak to ourselves affects how we see life, how we react to problems, and even how we bounce back from setbacks. Lahat naman tayo dumadaan sa self-doubt, and I'm no exemption. Let me share a moment na talagang naramdaman ko yon, no? There was a time when I had a big opportunity, something I had been waiting for, something I had worked so hard to achieve. Pero instead of feeling excited, ang bigat ng pakiramdam ko, no? I started doubting myself. Parang may boses sa isip ko na nagsasabi, kaya mo ba talaga to, te? Alam mo yun, no? Baka magkamali ka, baka hindi ka sapat. Maraming what if, no? I remember staying up late, overthinking everything, paulit-ulit kong inisip, no, lahat ng worst case scenarios. What if I fail, di ba? What if people see me as a disappointment? You know, alam mo yung feeling na ang bigat kasi kahit gaano ko kagustong maging confident, may part sa akin na natatakot. But then, I took a deep breath and reminded myself of something important. I have worked hard for this. Hindi ko to basta nakuha ng walang effort. Lahat ng struggles ko, lahat ng late nights, lahat ng moments na gusto ko nang sumuko pero hindi ko ginawa, then it led me here. So I changed my words. Instead of saying, baka hindi ko kaya, I told myself, kaya ko to. I deserve to be here. I am prepared for this. And you know what? The moment I shifted my mindset, parang gumaan yung pakiramdam ko. Hindi nawala agad yung kaba, pero mas nagkaroon ako ng lakas ng loob na gawin yung kailangan kong gawin. At the end of the day kasi, no, self-doubt will always be there. Pero ang tanong, papakinggan mo ba siya? Or papakinggan mo ba ito? Or pipiliin mong palitan ng mas mabuting paniniwala?